In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Doordash order in real time. If you've ever wondered exactly where your food is and when it's arriving, this walkthrough will show you how to follow your delivery from the moment it's accepted to the moment it reaches your door. We'll use only the built-in tools you already have, keeping things simple and accurate. Start by opening the Doordash app and heading to the Orders tab. You'll typically find this at the bottom of the screen. This section is your hub for both current and past orders, but today we're focusing on what's happening right now. If you have multiple orders in your history, look for the one that's currently marked as active or in progress. Next, tap the active order you want to track. This opens the Order Details page, which is where the magic happens. Here you'll see a live map that updates automatically. The restaurant location and your delivery address appear as pins, and your dasher is represented by a moving icon. As the dasher heads to the restaurant and then to you, that icon will travel along the route so you can visually follow each stage. Right alongside the map, you'll find the estimated delivery time, often labeled as ETA. This estimate is dynamic, meaning it can adjust based on real-world conditions like traffic or how quickly the restaurant finishes preparing your order. If you notice the ETA shift slightly, that's normal and simply reflects the most current information. Within this same view, you may see helpful status notes indicating whether your order is being prepared, has been picked up, or is on the way. Keep the screen open if you like. The map refreshes in real time and doesn't require you to manually reload. If updates ever seem a little slow, give it a moment. Location services and network conditions can cause brief delays. You're not limited to the app for updates either. Doordash also sends an email link and SMS notifications to the phone number on your account. These messages include a direct tracking link you can tap to see the live map without opening the app. This is especially handy if you're multitasking or your phone is locked. You can share that tracking link with others too, useful if a friend or family member needs to meet the dasher at the door. Only share it with people you trust, since the link shows the delivery progress in real time. That's all you need to track your Doordash order smoothly. Real-time updates give you a clear view of your dasher's route and delivery progress, so you'll know exactly when to expect your meal.